All good? Were you locked in the branch again after that? After you spoke?
They fix it, I guess.
Okay, it's fixed. That's good.
They put that
That's good.
inside.
Jenny, are you here?
I am ready.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yeah, Augustine is here still.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys, another work day is done. It's a rainy day. Going to pick up nuts right now. And actually, we're gonna go and look on some beds. Now, if you guys remember from my couple of vlogs ago, I attempted to clean out that room. Yes, guys, it's kind of raining right now, so I'm walking really quickly. But I'm gonna go and pick up nuts. And we're gonna go and look on some beds right now. So a couple of vlogs ago, I did a video where I attempted to clean out that room. We're gonna go and find a bed to put into that room. So hopefully this video will show you guys an idea of what furniture prices are like, what the bed prices are like usually. So come along, guys, don't forget to do what? Like, comment, share and subscribe. Raining. Place can feel cold, babes. Go for your 2 pit of them. Feel the cold?
Say mommy.
No sweater. Wasn't expecting rain.
One is in the bag. Take Maria one is in the bag. Hi Malika.
Come, Malika. Your shoes is right here, Malika.
She knows what to do sometimes when we go out.
A little bit more independent.
Yeah.
So she's putting on and taking off her shoes and stuff, so that's good. Malika, come on.
And even her milk though. Yeah.
Have a seat. Put on your shoes, Malika.
Come on, put on shoe.
Look at this big woman.
Oh my gosh. Danger.
Malia, take your time.
She like eating rice and pasta, no?
She doesn't?
She likes.
She likes it, Malia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love this one.
She loves
Yeah.
fruits though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. See you
Because
tomorrow.
she will finish fruits first, then the cutters are
Or something. Come, Malia. It's raining. It's raining. Come on. I love it. Yeah. It's raining. Let's go into the car. Yeah, guys, so we're at this furniture store that we always come to. This was the very first furniture store that we came to when we just landed. So we just kind of show some loyalty to them all the time. So they're called Easy Home. So you guys gotta check them out. Kind of expensive to be honest, but yeah, they're reasonable. Malia, this way. Yeah, ask your cousin that man. Oh, whenever that realize. Hey man. Not too bad. What's that? Ask your cousin that one.
Puppy?
Puppy. See the puppy? Yeah. Come on. Are you afraid of the puppy? Don't be afraid. Have a good night. Malika, are you touching the puppy? Malia is afraid of the puppy. Are these your puppies?
Kind of. The black one's his and the small one's mine.
Oh, I see. Yeah, we're looking for a queen size. When you say it's storage, yeah, preferably queen. Guys, so they only have these right now in store, but we're gonna look on some pictures. Yeah, that man look one. But Malika. Malia is still baby. You know, come out of crib yet. You're gonna get a big woman and afraid of dog. Hey Malia. Come Malika. Pictures are up.
This. You can come around this side and take a peek. I don't know if it'll let me. It won't let me check it out. So there's this one here, and it's only a 5-piece, so I believe it only comes with the.
Thank you. Over.
No, it's about the sets.
Yeah, because usually we have them in sets.
Oh no, we don't want the set.
18.
Just want the.
We might end up having a special order for you guys then.
That might take a while.
Where's my new board here? I think it's. So I have something kind of like this one, but I think it's the darker one. That's just the frame. To get a mattress with it?
Come turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off.
But because there's things that they need, but they're still in the ref and they haven't been used, I'll be able to package it for you. So, let me see.
Malia, are you coming? You want to play with the puppy? Yes. Throw them in the room. What's that? Throw them in.
Hey. Are you a boy or a girl?
Look,
You look
look,
like
look.
a boy.
It is a boy.
Yeah.
And then the little one is the girl.
She's missing.
Yeah, she kind of does her own thing. She's like a cat that way.
Malika puppy.
She was picking the little one.
Okay, so in total, with all taxes and
I was. Yeah, the floor looks a little bit empty today. Yeah,
driving me crazy.
kind of looks like my living room.
Yeah, right.
Hi, Missy. What can I do for you?
Okay, so now let's
She wants to sleep.
here.
She wants to sleep.
No, she wants snacks. Then she, wow. Bye. Yes, it's a puppy. The puppy playing with the ball, mommy. Why are you hitting?
Come and look at this puppy, Malia. Malia, here's another puppy. Here's another puppy. Puppy? Puppy?
No.
See the puppy? Yeah, guys, so it seems like we chose a bad time to go to the store because there's nothing much in stock right now, so we weren't able to go through and show you guys an idea of what the prices would look like or anything. So we were just kind of just fishing around, chit-chatting, kind of see, just what things are looking like right now. But this is a store. This is
Yes. The bag? There's
Pediasure.
no Pediasure in the bag. You left one in there? You did?
You left it in there?
Let's see.
You were thinking about this evening?
She left it in there.
Left it in there.
There you go. Thank you. I just open it.
Yeah. What was I saying? I don't even... So this is the store that we came when we just moved into our first apartment, and they were the only ones who were able to give us all our furniture and credit at that point in time, because we never have any money, like as you guys all know, to purchase anything really. So they took a chance on us, so we are somewhat loyal to them, even though them pricing kind of expensive more. Well, we are always saying that they were there and we didn't need them, so we pretty much just stick with them for the most part. That's what I was just talking, guys. So the only reason why we're buying another bed is for guests, because it doesn't matter how much bed we have, all the way I go pack up in a one bed anyway, including this
out my
too.
bed. They won't leave out.
You refuse to put them out the bed. It doesn't matter what we do, guys, they won't come out of our bed. Them come like them just attached to the bed.
There was a Burger King here?
Yeah, that's been there like for a couple months now.
Oh.
Yeah. If anybody have any tips of how to get the kids out the bed, let me know. For Malika, I think that they done gone bad already, because like she's fully invested in our bed.
And yeah, it's slowly getting out.
Slowly getting, you mean slowly getting integrated?
Slowly getting out.
Thing
Our bed is not ours, because we literally can't come out the bed and they don't miss us.
Yeah, they don't miss us. Don't fuck me like. Yeah, guys, so if anybody have any tips of how to get the kids out of bed, drop it. So we're currently looking for just to set up the room in a nice little way so that we can start entertaining people again. Entertaining people again.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
Yes, Malia. What's up? We're almost home. We're almost home. Mommy, alright, how was your day today, Malia? How was it? Was it okay? Okay. Open the door, Malika.
Press the one, Malika.
Who's gonna press the elevator button?
Malika, be careful, Mom. Malika, close down, please. Pull on it close. Thanks. Yay!
Try again. Oh, never mind. It's open. It's open. Yes guys, so we're home, so this is where the video ended. Thank you guys so much for always watching our videos, liking, commenting, and for subscribing. Really appreciate it guys. Just a quick synopsis of our evening. It's beginning of the week. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your day, or is enjoying your night, your afternoon. Doesn't matter what time you guys are seeing this video. See you guys in the next video.